Hi, my name is Jasmine Winch and today I'm going to talk to you about embellishments as a print production method. Embellishments are a finished decorative detail that allows the print piece to stand out. It can be used to draw attention to a special area of importance on marketing material or just add special detail to the design. Some types of embellishments include fusing, foil stamping, digital foil, silver foil board, embossing, debossing, die cutting, laser cutting, and spot UV. It's important to know when and how to use embellishments, as when effective they can convey the care, quality and leadership that the client is wanting to portray and making an impression to the intended audience. There are several different types of embellishments. Foil stamping is a special kind of printing procedure where heat, pressure and metallic paper is used to create different shiny designs and graphics on various materials. Foil stamping gives the stamped design a shiny, incredible look. There are many different types of foil to choose from holographic patterns to pearl colours, to metallic to strong vibrant colours that can only be achieved through this method of printing. Foil stamping has been around since the 18th century. Some of the very first manuscripts produced used real gold leaf to decorate calligraphy. It was the process of applying raw gold leaf, and it related to the craft of gilding, which was also used for picture frames, statues and furniture in that era. Over the years, the main focus of foil moved on to books where leather. As time evolved, the focus of gold foiling moved on to leather books, where they were first stamped with machines so as to emboss the leather and then embellished by hand with gold leaf. Now in the current 21st century, the foil stamping process is still quite similar to how it's always been. It involves the die or the sculpted metal plate to come in contact with the foil and transfer a thin layer of foil film onto the intended surface. As the metal plate is heated, the foil sticks to the surface only in the design of the plate and in the required areas of the desired imprint. Advantages of foil stamping include that it can be printed on a wide range of stocks. The stamping process can create embossed tactility. Rolls of foil can be used precisely for low wastage, and white foil can be used to print white onto dark stock. It's also eco-friendly and good for the environment as it can be recycled. The disadvantages are limited range of foil colours, and the die must be cut out, making it expensive. It also cannot be offset printed onto, cannot be laminated, and the separate process to printing can add to the cost. To look further into this design process, I researched a number of local printing companies, including Matte Gold, a printing company in Victoria that specialises in embellishments like foil stamping and embossing. When contacting Matte Gold, there was a number of things that we spoke about, including the importance to understand the stock you will be applying the foil onto and whether it suits. This is important as not all stock could be suitable to be used with foil. They advise that the best surface for foil stamping is to be smooth and clean on cast-coated stock and artboards. The texture-covered stock can also be used. When setting up your artwork, it was advised that you set it up correctly to the printer standard. That's why it's important to discuss with your suppliers beforehand about what they need to get the job done. When prepping my artwork for foil gold embellishment, it needs to be clear to the printer about what area is to be foil stamped. Some main steps to include was to move the graphic or type to be foiled onto a separate layer and label it clearly. The next step was to make a colour of the new swatch in a spot and label it for the foil. All text is to be outlined. A 3mm bleed is also to be included. The last step is for the foil layer to be set in overprint. My final artwork designed for foil printing is to be used for the event of International Women's Day. the foil is to be used as a clear statement to describe the equality for women.